How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've actually filmed a longer video. I can't even remember the last time I picked up the camera, honestly. But it's been too long. We have a lot of new people, and we have our first round of modifications for the Mustang. I'm going to see if I can install them today. You guys stick around in just a minute. You'll know what I mean that I might not be able to do today. We'll see. But let's unbox them and see what we got. Alright, so there's two separate boxes here. Both of them are from Roush, obviously the same part. We're going to open all of this, and then once this is open, we're going to open this one first. Yeah, this one first, then we'll open that one. On the label here, it says, "Do not accept if the seal is broken." I'm not sure if this is what you would consider broken or not, but FedEx, come on now. Alright, we got the top open. Little foam piece here. Here's the first pipe. That's actually pretty heavy, but here's the first pipe that we're going to be installing. Ever so gently set this pipe right there. It seems to be in good condition. No dings or anything in this one. And then if you come here, we have the second pipe. And then we're going to put this one on the ground as well. Seems to be in good condition. Can't wait to hear how these sound. I'm guessing the X pipe is going to be underneath here. Yep. There is the X pipe. This is also fairly heavy. Heavier than I thought it was going to be. If you guys already don't know what this is, I think you can take a guess. And then we also have some clamps in this bag right here. So we're going to set that down. That's all in this box. So we're going to set this one aside, and then we're going to open this one. This box is definitely in better condition. Well, I mean, it doesn't really matter as long as everything inside is fine. But let's get this open and see what's inside of here. Well, actually, I already know what's inside of here. I mean, you guys can probably assume what's inside of here, so let's just open it up. Alright, so if you don't know what this is already, this is a full Roush catback system. So we've got the muffler replacements right here. And then we've got the other one right here. We've got the tips right here. And then some clamps, and then the other set of tips right there. I put the other parts back, but let's just compare this muffler to the stock one. So if we look under here, this is the stock muffler, and that thing is huge. This thing is the size of my hand, and the other one is like, I don't know, it's massive. This thing is going to sound absolutely insane. Obviously, these tips are going to be replaced with the other ones. There's going to be four. It's going to be a quad tip system just like this, without a resonator behind it, because we're doing the X pipe instead of the resonator, so it's going to be pretty interesting. I'm going to see if I can get these installed today somehow. I don't know how that's going to happen, but I don't have a lift, but this car is about to sound insane with this system. Let's talk about pricing real quick and how much I paid for it and how much it would cost to install it. I guess I've got some estimates and stuff like that. I'll tell you the full price if I get it installed by someone, but let's talk about the price of the catback system and then the mufflers alone, because you can buy these separate with cutting the stock system. As far as installation goes, when you have the full catback system, there's no cutting required. It just bolts onto the stock system. But talking about price real quick, this full exhaust cost me $13,874. which isn't terribly expensive considering the Corso one is about $2,000, the Borla one is about $1,500 before tax. This one was only $12 before tax, $1,250. So those probably gonna be like $16 and upwards towards $2,000. If you were to get just these, it costs you about $750 just for these and the tips, and then all you have to do is cut the stock ones, and then you don't have the pipes or anything. So you'd cut, and then you would just put these onto the stock ones. But I got the full system because I wanted it to be a little bit louder, and the full Roush CapEx system sounds absolutely insane, and I can't wait to put this on my car. All of that being said, let's go take the Mustang out for a little drive while it is still stock and enjoy some of the factory noises that this car makes. Throw that. This isn't cold at all. I just drove the car, but to start up, I will have a video that will properly address the stock versus aftermarket sounds and qualities and comparisons between the two, and then a couple weeks from now I'll probably make a video that's reviewing it and letting you guys know what I think about it overall. But very hyped, so let's go enjoy the Mustang a little bit. So yeah, it sounds pretty good from the inside already. You can pretty much hear the car, probably a little bit behind me, but it's about to sound a lot better than what it sounds like right now. I don't think there's any possible way I can install in today's video just because I don't have a jack to lift it up and get underneath it. I've thought about using a ramp, but I don't think that will work. So I'm gonna try to get a lift, otherwise find someone with a jack, or maybe just pay someone. So I guess we'll find out. But yeah, here's a couple more exhaust clips and then we'll end the video. So thank you guys for watching. Just a quick video unboxing my exhaust. Very excited for getting it installed and everything. Before the end of the week, it'll definitely be on and definitely let you guys hear the new exhaust and also tell you guys what I think about it. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Trying to get 25,000, so that's the next goal. We're almost there, 5,000 away. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.